In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to permanently delete your Honkai Star Rail account. Before we start, a quick heads up. Requesting deletion is a serious action. It can permanently erase your game progress and linked data across Hoyoverse services. If you have multiple accounts, make sure you're working on the correct one, and consider taking screenshots of any receipts or records you might need later. With that in mind, let's begin. Open your web browser and go to the official Hoyoverse account page. This is where all your game and account settings are managed. Once you're there, sign in with the account you use for Honkai Star Rail. Take a moment to confirm you're logged into the right profile, especially if you have ever switched servers or used more than one login method. After logging in, click your profile icon to open your account menu. From the menu, go into your Hoyoverse account settings. This is the central hub for your personal details, security options, and data controls. Inside the account area, select Personal Information. This section lists your bound email or phone and other identifiers tied to your account. It's useful to verify these now because you'll be asked to confirm your identity shortly. Next, go to the security area where you'll find the option labeled Request to Delete Account. Click that to start the deletion request process. The page will outline what deletion means and what will be lost. Read this carefully so you know exactly what's about to happen. When you're ready, click Send. The system will prompt you to complete a quick CAPTCHA to confirm you're a real person. Solve the CAPTCHA, then click OK to proceed. You'll now receive a verification code at your bound email address or phone number. Retrieve that code, return to the page, and type the verification code exactly as shown. This step protects your account from unauthorized requests, so if you don't see the message immediately, give it a moment and check your spam or junk folder. With the code entered, click Next. This submits your request for deletion. At this point, your request has been recorded and the account will move into the deletion process according to Hoyoverse's policy. You may receive a confirmation message or follow-up notice indicating the next stages and any timeframes involved. And that's it. You've successfully requested to permanently delete your Honkai Star Rail account. If you changed your mind before starting this process, the safest approach is not to submit the request in the first place. Otherwise, monitor your inbox for any final notices related to the deletion.